thinking there is no way. But by breaking down these barriers in our minds, we can enjoy vibrant lived, filled with a powerful life force like the sun. So in order to challenge any seemingly intractable deadlock or obstacle, we practice Buddhism in order to actualize a life condition of absolute happiness indestructible throughout the three existences, past, present, and future. I joke, but I'm like very into this. Basically just saying like, you know, you can do hard stuff.
After nearly missing my flight because I almost forgot my hiking boots, I landed in Kalispel, Montana, where I met up with the rest of the crew. Zach.
That pack looks like Danny's pack.
My brother Scott.
Hey.
And Ben. We picked up our rental car and drove to the Divide Creek Campground on the east side of Glacier National Park.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to night one of, what do we call it? Big Sky?
Big Sky Country.
Big Sky, bad bitches.
Or like Big Guy Country.
They double booked our site, which was really nice on the river, but they gave us 2 sites, and they're bigger, which is probably better for the 4 of us, and then they also gave us a wall tent that I'm probably gonna sleep in because it's an experience. Ben.
I'm wearing jeans.
Sponsored by Big Agnes. And the Cuddle Buds are gonna cuddle tonight.
Zach's pack probably weighing the most. He packed a lot of his professional camera equipment, including multiple lenses, filters, and a tripod.
Morning.
Good morning.
Day 1.
Friggin' party.
Scott made bougie.
Portinari. 100% Arabica. Straight from Brazil.
Brazil. How was it?
It's really good.
Yeah.
My cup's a little too big for the pour over system, but we're gonna make it work.
Oh yeah.
I'm feeling,
No! I've already screwed it up. Good guy hanging
Here's
out
something
on
for
a-
your coffee blog. Pour over coffee. Definitely a luxury. However, incredible cup of coffee. Cons. You gotta pack the grounds out.
On a scale of 1 to 10, we're gonna give this the Scott coffee scale. Well, you
It's
guys,
a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10?
It's a 7 out of 10.
I think I gave it the same thing.
The problem, another con, pour over process takes a while, so it's not like rip your mouth hot, which I'm looking for.
I like rip your mouth
Yeah,
hot.
It's like just hot enough.
Did you guys have some coffee yet?
I'm having a dirty chai.
Oh, dirty chai.
Plus, it's a dirty chai out of the box, plus additional dirt.
So extra dirty.
It's a double packet.
What would you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Dude,
7.
what?
7? Full 7?
No way,
Sip.
cup bros.
Let's take a sip.
We're in our cups right now.
It's got a little grit in there.
That looks like deer food. Very good deer food.
Let me know how this compares to the Brazilian.
Base camp blend. You definitely put more water in yours than mine.
Yeah.
It's a little harder to tell. It's oaky.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. I like mine better.
I figured this is the best cup of coffee I'm gonna have until we get off the trail.
Oh.
It's good. Day 1. We're packing up. We're hiking to Red Eagle Lake, something or other. We got our permits. We all pooped today. We got the bear spray. And we're going that way. Officially starting our trail. 7.8 miles. Oh, I don't know. I think it's 70 something, yeah. Famous last words. So we're camping right here. We are right here.
Straight shot.
Straight shot.
Camping here?
Yep.
Right on the lake.
Right on the lake.
We had a couple of lake spots.
We sure did. Fuck yeah. Let's do it. We're doing it. Doesn't get much more glacier than this. We did it.
that a loon?
I think it's a duck.
Yeah, dude. Is that the going to the sun road?
That is the going to the sun road on the other side.
The trail to Red Eagle Lake Campground was relatively easy, passing through grasslands, wildflower fields, perfect for frolicking.
That is textbook frolicking.
Yeah, that's pretty.
That is like,
good. There's a little bit of skipping. There's a lot of abandon.
yeah, sailing with the arms.
It's a pretty easy trail so far.
Honestly, I think the best part of backpacking is just thinking about what you're gonna eat when you get off the trip.
Let me suffer for a week so I can have a really good mediocre
Hey, you
meal.
remember the last time we went out? We went to that like fucking line dancing saloon.
Yeah, that was weird.
I like.
There's a load limit. Who wants to go first, eh?
My load has no limits.
And a little wobbly, eh?
Dude, this is like.
There was also several wooden suspension bridges that we had a lot of fun crossing.
This is the most shiggity bridge I've ever been on. Right?
We haven't let your light shine down.
Not built for tall man.
No, it sure isn't.
I'm afraid of heights.
Well, good thing we're going to climb a mountain. We gotta cross this bridge.
What do you think?
Gripping.
Gripping?
Gripping.
Gripping? And
Gripping.
I want to dunk my head in that so bad. Today's protein bar of the day is brought to you by Bear Bells.
Ooh, those are good.
These are
Get that
good.
at Trader Joe's.
Jessica got this for me.
Oh.
She buys a lot of stuff online, but it's also very poopy.
Oh man.
It's gonna be a mess, I know it.
Why did you bring the poopiest bar?
Because there's the best. It tastes like a Snickers. I think we're getting close. I think the lake is gonna be just on the other side of this ridge.
As we approached our destination, the terrain became more and more hilly and uneven.
Is there a view? Oh yeah, baby.
There it is.
Red Eagle Lake Campground sits right at the foot of Red Eagle Lake and Red Eagle Mountain.
I was right. It's over that ridge. Well, keep your eyes out for a sign. Wow, this would be a nice place. Be a good place for dinner, eh? No, that looks like a skull of some kind, for sure. Yep.
So this is where we cook and eat.
Yep.
While cold, rocky, and silty, Red Eagle Lake made for a beautiful and refreshing dip to wash the stink of the day off and to soak our legs.
Ah. Yep, this hurts. Whoop, whoop.
Oh yeah!
How's it feel? It's like you get, that's pretty much like, and you're done. Are you just bare feet?
Yeah, bare feet.
Go get your Johns.
That's not the coolest.
It's getting out, it hurts.
Hanging out, my friend Scott. Danny. Hey, Danny. Going to look for a moose. Practicing bear safety. Be bear safe. Checking out views.
Zach, with his keen eye, spotted a bald eagle nesting high in one of the trees
There's a bald
and
eagle
tromped
up
through the
there.
brush to get some really cool photos.
He's birding out.
Freaking birding out right now.
Bird alert. Bird alert. Most of these videos are just us taking pictures of each other. You hear that?
What's like the holy grail of birding?
I don't know a lot about birding.
Oh, I thought you were into birding.
I like taking pictures of nature.
I guess
The rest of the day before dinner was spent lounging in the shade by the lake, watching the sun dive down behind the mountains.
What's happening? Stressful work. The sun's finally going down.
Yeah, right after. All right.
What do you having, Scott?
For a little appetizer, we're gonna have some loaded baked mashed potatoes with some fried pepperonis and some wild foraged chives. Noodles. I also added a pack of star-kissed chicken. There's a lot going on here. It's kind of a mess. I don't really know what they're going for, but it's noodles are mushy, beef's still a little hard. You know, so like the hydration time off. Sauce. Not a lot of flavor other than just salt, you know, and 6 out of 10.
take out little packet of bullshit like I always.
Oh no.
Silicone gel.
You haven't done.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Wait, that's not right. Chicken fried rice.
Chicken.
Something like that. I got some pasta fazool with chicken reconstituting, and then I also have Bear Creek classic chicken noodle soup. What do you got for dinner, Zach?
I have cheesy chicken and broccoli, 1,090 calories, fresh picked chives, and 3 corn tortillas.
How is it?
It's great.
Dude, is that a Samoa? Is that just Samoas pushed together?
You look like Kubrick right now. You're going full Kubrick mode.
Probably didn't need all those
I
napkins.
get my hat not because I'm cold, but because it's comfortable.
That crispy pepperoni was pretty good.
That was the best part of the day, the crispy pepperoni.
Hard to beat a hand-crisped roni.
Night 1, and I still haven't slept in my hammock because we're in like a burn zone or something, and there's no trees to really hang a hammock from. So I fashioned my tarp into kind of a half A-frame situation. I don't know. I think it's gonna work out great. We're at a cowboy camp tonight. Yeehaw!
When this fire goes out, do you guys want to go down there while I take like 5 minutes of shots of the sky?
Yeah, dude. All right. That's the plan.
Are you gonna have
Good night.